Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can hide a song on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on a playlist that you have or like where you have songs, and right next to the song you're gonna see three dots here, and then next to the like you're gonna see hide this song, right? So let's hide the song, and right now it's hidden, right? So this is how you can do it. And then you can like unhide it. So hidden. And now I can go whatever, like let's go daily mix 2. Again, hide the song. And this is how you can simply do it. To unhide the song, again, I'm going to click on daily mix 2. Click here and unhide it. Just click on it. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below comments, and have a great day and goodbye.